Board number 1, how exciting. Oh, I can actually walk back here without falling through the abyss.
And there won't be any flex either.
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't think there'd be much of flex with me on anything, but... Nice little notch. Cool. People are gonna ask, why are you not putting an insulation?
Their fucking opinion.
Right. But another thing is that, how tall are you?
6 foot.
6 foot, yeah. And you see that. So putting insulation in on top of that, I mean, that's gonna be, I mean, for me, it'd be fine. But that's another reason why. Another reason is I live in Florida, and yes, it gets hot, but I'll be fine.
I want to get it so that I can still push the wall to try and get that door frame to stiffen
Oh, yeah.
up. It's screwed down, right? So I'm going to try and pinch that.
Door frame?
Yeah. And hope that if I pinch it and then I blast screws through the wood into what's left of the frame, it'll stiffen that up more.
Only one way to find out.
Yeah, do it.
Perfect.
It is, isn't it?
You need...
I love it.
Down here.
Once we get the floor down, so see our metal goes under, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And then our wood is going to go over that
Yep.
that bad trim,
Right.
and then we're going to blast through the wood, through the trim, into the metal while you push from the outside. See how it's going to pinch it?
Yeah. You're gonna have to push harder than that, boy.
Yeah, that's why the ratchet strap is so good, because it can pull much
Right.
more than I can push.
Oh, yay! That ain't budging at all.
Nope.
Nice.
Oh.
All right, so all of the subfloor is complete, finally. Everything is attached securely. As you can see here, everything is screwed down. All of the edges here have the spray foam on it all the way around. And this piece here, as you've seen, he took the ratchet and pulled it, and now the frame is nice and solid. So that is all taken care of. And this is as far as we've gotten on the bed frame. I'm gonna sneeze. Woo. This is going to be the top part back here, which the mattress is gonna sit on. Then we're gonna build and add, well, we or me. I mean, I've built a bed already. I don't know why I'm paying somebody to do this one. But in any event, I might finish this myself. Most likely I will. Add more slats to the top here, and then add legs. And then for the most part, the framing of the bed will be done. I was thinking about adding drawers to it and stuff like that, but I'm really not sure exactly what I'm going to be storing back underneath here. Most likely I'll be putting a freshwater tank back here, and I don't know what size I'm going to get. So once I figure out what I'm going to be storing back here, then I can kind of figure out how big and deep and I want the drawers and stuff like that. Or I might not even do drawers. I might just get some bins and shove them underneath or whatnot. But so that is done. Well, not done, but getting done. And then I had another thought. Well, actually, Shane thought of this idea, so let me give credit where credit's deserved. But these tracks that are right here along the edge here, I'll show you a close up here in a minute. But he said that what I should do is put like LED strips down in them and then add epoxy to it. So then I'll have lighting in here. But most of what I'm going to build on the sides, the cabinets and whatnot, are going to cover that. So I was thinking it would still be a good idea because that would be great like under cabinet lighting. So when I open up the drawers or the doors or whatever, I will be able to see inside the cabinets. So let me show you up really close. But a company sent me some LED strips through, their name is Vont, VONT. And they have like all kinds of different lighting stuff that you can choose from. They sent me these lighting strips. They sent me 2 of them. And they also sent me those really cool light bulbs that are smart light bulbs that you can hook up to your Alexa and tell it to change different colors and turn off and on and all kinds of cool stuff. I ended up giving those to my mom for Christmas because I don't have any actual like, you know, light bulb sockets or whatever to put bulbs in. I just have a lot of LED lights in the camper, so I had no use for those. But anyways, yeah, so I was thinking, well, like I said, Shane thought of this. But taking this strip, cleaning this all out, and then laying this strip down inside. Like so. It's hard to do this and show you. So like that, and then pouring epoxy down in there, and then I'll have a lot of under cabinet lighting. But I don't know, we'll see if I'm gonna do that or not. Because mostly everything I'm building is gonna come out to, you know, here anyway, so it's gonna be covered. So that's one option. I don't know, if I can get some epoxy for cheap, I might do it. But if not, I'm going to put LED lighting up in the cabinets up here and up here. But I'll find a place for them if I don't do that. So yeah, I'm excited. Things are starting to move forward. And, you know, let me know about that LED strip thing if you think that's a good idea, or if you guys have any other really good ideas that I could do in here. I'm open to options. It's, you know, I got a blank canvas right now, and I know some of you out there give me some really good ideas with other things, so I'm curious to see if you guys have any good ideas for me on what I can do for this. But another thing that I noticed is that I don't know if I'm dealing with mold issues in here as well, or if this is kind of just like, a lot of it is just like this sappy sap stuff. That's, I don't know, it's definitely, yeah, see, it's like liquidy, and I don't know what the heck it is, but some of it looks like black mold for sure. So I've got my trusty dusty ozone machine, which I'm going to run in here. And then I was thinking about just getting some Kills paint and just painting over top of this whole thing. and calling it a day. And that way that whole mold issue will be taken care of, and I won't have to worry about that. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's a lot better and easier to get to than my camper, that's for sure. That's a big mess. But so anyways, that's gonna do it for this video, and I hope you guys are all having a great new year, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.